So recently in Hodgkin lymphoma, especially early stage disease, there's been a number of papers assessing treatment modality shift based upon interim PET scan, such as the RAPID study, as well as the H10, H16 studies as well. So we wanted to look at a retrospective cohort of patients treated at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Arizona, as well as Florida, and assess the outcome differences between patients who got combined modality therapy, chemotherapy plus radiotherapy, or chemotherapy alone, and what survival outcomes differences they have, as well as clinical characteristics that are different. What we found was that patients who got treated with combined modality therapy had overall better progression-free survival as compared to those who got chemotherapy alone. And that was exacerbated when we did subgroup analysis. Specifically looking at bulky disease, we saw a greater difference in progression-free survival. We saw improvement with combined modality therapy as compared to chemotherapy alone. So it just serves as a real-world analysis of some of the recent trials that have been published in the area and provides a different lens to the rigorous clinical trial sort of inclusion-exclusion criteria we often have, and to look at more of a clinic-based perspective.